welcome to my YouTube channel at Official Joe TV. On today's episode, I'll be walking you through the legal position of the police when it comes to land disputes. Please stick with me as I run you through it. The general principle of law, which has received judicial approvals in a plethora of cases, is that police are not legally empowered to dabble into civil matters. The primary duty of a police, as stated in Section 4 of the Police Act 2020, is the prevention of crime, investigation and detection of crime, and the prosecution of offenders. One of the civil matters which the police services has been ignorantly relied upon by Nigerians is land ownership. More often than not, there are proximate examples within us where one party claiming ownership of a land resorts to using the police to arrest the other party laying claim to the same land. Furthermore, these people justify their action based on the quick resolutions of the police because it takes the court so long and in many cases brings a lot of bottlenecks. Well, they choose the quicker version and the police are always happy. The police are always happy to assist, especially when they are properly motivated, if you know what I mean. The most disappointing thing about this issue is not only the ignorance of the parties involved, but also the sheer docility of the police, who are expected to know that they are not meant to dabble into civil matters. It then necessitates the question of whether the members of the Nigerian police force even know what they are employed to do. Or maybe they know, but the quest to enrich themselves through illegal means has made them act the way they do. Rather than seek the police intervention, the proper authority to determine the civil dispute in the court is the court of law. And this has been asserted in the locus classicus cases of Mangai versus the Commissioner of Police, Plateau State, and also Okafor and others versus the Assistant Inspector General of the Police and others. This is the law, and I cannot but emphasize the importance of its strict adherence. Failure to adhere often has heavy legal consequences for both the complainant and the police. The rationale is that in executing the complainant's request, the police usually infringe on the fundamental human rights of the other party through detention, beating, and several other barbaric acts. However, a land dispute can degenerate into a criminal matter, especially when there is a threat to one's life. The occurrence of this, especially in land ownership matters, is very high. However, when this occurs, or whenever there is a threat to a party's life, he may lay a complaint to the police and seek protection of his life. In such instance where this happens, the officer in charge must display a high level of professionalism by only handling the criminal aspect of this issue and not the civil aspect, which is the land matter. To this end, I believe we now understand that the police has no business when it comes to land matters and even civil matters in general. This is Official Joe TV. I do videos like this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.